Welcome to Stock versus Stock. This app lets you compare two S&P 500 stocks and gives you a recommendation for which one to invest in. How you use this app is first you select company A. I'm going to select AMD. This list is in alphabetical order, so AMD is here, Advanced Micro Devices. Then you select company B. I'm going to select NVIDIA. This input supports type ahead, so I can just type NVI and you see it filters the list. There's NVIDIA. And then you select one of the top 10 investment factors for comparing stocks. So I'm going to compare earnings performance. And then you just click the compare button. Okay, so company A's earning performance is going to show up here. Company B's earning performance is going to show up here. And then the recommendation from stock versus stock will show up here. See, it's comparing the two earning performance data for the companies. You see, there's the recommendation, and now it's summarizing. The summary's here. So this is for AMD, the information about the earnings performance, which was the investment factor I selected, and it shows you the revenue, the net income, earnings per share, and it actually gives you the financial statements they use. This app uses financial statements which the companies filed with the SEC, and there's a link for each financial statement which you can click, and you see this is AMD's financial statement, Form 10Q. And this company B for NVIDIA, same deal, earnings per share, and the links to the statements which it used. So it uses 10Q from November 20th. And click on the link, and there's NVIDIA's 10Q form. And this is the recommendation. So it compares earnings performance, this investment factor for the two companies, and it for each of the categories, and it gives the recommendation here. And here, it gives you the summary. So it recommends investing in NVIDIA over AMD, as NVIDIA demonstrates significantly higher revenue, etc. Okay, now you can also get a report of this. So let's click Create Report. Okay, so while it's working away, I'll talk about this input here. Instead of selecting one of the top 10 investment factors, you can enter an arbitrary factors to compare the two companies. And by default, you see it's going to compare the AI strategy, AI features, and AI adoption. But you can enter whatever you want here, you know. Okay, so the report was generated. You see here's the report. And you can click this to download it. Okay, we download it, we can open it. So here's the stock versus stock report. And gives you the summary and the company A analysis for AMD, company B's analysis for NVIDIA, and the comparison. Okay, so let's actually compare the AI strategy of these two companies. Okay, so it's working away. Okay, so I got the AI strategy for AMD and for NVIDIA, and it's comparing now. Okay, finishing comparison, now summarizing the results. Okay, so still advises investors to invest in NVIDIA for this factor: AI strategy, AI features, AI adoption. We can try a different set of companies. Let's see. How about Nike? Okay, Nike versus I don't know, like Ralph Lauren. Okay, Ralph Lauren. Investment factor. Let's see. How about cash flow? I think Nike's having some problems, right? Okay, compare. Let's see how these two stocks are doing. Okay, so it's working away, comparing the cash flow of okay, so cash flow for Nike, cash flow for Ralph Lauren is comparing now. Okay, there's a comparison. Okay, and there's the summary here. Nike appears to be a better investment option compared to Ralph Lauren due to its significantly higher cash flow. Okay, so it's not actually doing so bad, Nike, at least compared to Ralph Lauren. All right, that's my demo of stock versus stock. Thanks.